The day has started. You can take the easy path, or no path at all. Are you going to be brave? Are you ready to keep improving? Do you have what it takes? You do. Because to improve the world requires imagination. And you can imagine anything. If you could make a wish, what would it be? To make the world worth living, that is what we're here for. Some people might say we're crazy. But a change can be made. And you're here to contribute to that change with others. If you could make a wish, what would it be? Change the world with us. Nippon Gases, the gas professionals.